What a day on the SPY. Welcome back to another video. So here we have the SPY fighting to hold above the 597 level, and it's had volatility today. And in today's volatility, our SPY bot at 7:10 a.m. sent out a bear indicator, and from that moment forward into the bell and moving forward, there was pure weakness there on 42 vision, outflows crossed, and it did not get canceled until 11:30 a.m. and put options went up over 300% plus within minutes to an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets and these charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots. We look forward to having you connected and joining us and receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets. And you could see it here. The QQQ sent one out as well into the open at 9:25 a.m. and it lasted without getting canceled till 11:35 a.m. and you could see that big drop there and weakness on 42 vision, outflows crossing, and then put options as well went up over 250% plus, guys. We look forward to getting you guys connected and receive the clarity and edge that you deserve. The link is down below in the description and the top pinned comment. So here we are with the SPY fighting to stay above 597. And this is where it becomes crucial because we talked about the key levels of trying to get back above 600 and staying above it, right? And then on top of that, going ahead and staying towards the course of 605 resistance, right? It touched 600 and slightly below it on Friday. We had a nice bounce, came back down, and we're sitting here in a tight consolidation. The question mark here is, in the lower time frames, could this be a double bottom to the upside? And that's what we're going to break down in just a moment. And when we zoom out and look at this from the 15-minute, same thing. Lots of volatility in dip areas. And on the 30-minute, there's been a bear indicator here dominating since 6:03. And we've done a full transition as well from the rip area to multiple dip areas on 42 vision here on the lower time frames. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within these charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as extra layers of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY, the SP 500 index, back under a bear indicator at 603 here on the 30-minute chart. But we were talking about this in our last video, right? What was crucial was the 1 day had not gotten a bear indicator. So any pullback here is not justified just yet as pure weakness and real strength to the downside, because this bull indicator here at 589 is still holding. Now, we're not too far from it, and we've seen supports here at 595 and also at the 590 area, which are crucial as we get closer. But when we zoom in and look at it on the 4-hour, the 2-hour, and the 1-hour, we could see multiple bear indicators dominating and multiple dip areas getting hit as we approach these key support levels. Now, the 4-hour, the 1-hour, and the 2-hour, we want to see these bear indicators get canceled. If not, the domination could roll over into the 1 day, and that can change everything here, and we'll have to reassess. But for as long as these lower time frames have bear indicators and the 1 day doesn't, that could quickly change as soon as support is found, and we'll have to reassess as we reverse how resistance levels are retested, right? So we have bear indicators here on the bigger picture, since up here near 609, 610 level, even the 605 level, and we're sitting here coming back down towards the 597, 596 level that it bounced off of in today's volatility. So this could form a double bottom if we try to reverse in the after hours and going into tomorrow. I will be watching that in the pre-market. And the first support we'll be watching is 597, guys. If that gets broken through, the next level I'll be watching is 595, and then below that comes down towards the 593 levels, guys. Those are the key levels to the downside. We want to also see these bear indicators. If they continue to hold, will it roll over into the 1 day or in this pullback, just like the previous one, from 610 all the way down to 595, and even from up here at 610 all the way down to 590. They never went ahead and got bear indicators, and it was just overreactions of quick movement and volatility, and quickly they were reversed and resistance levels were tested. So I am going to be watching for that here if this bull indicator continues to hold true and it cancels out this pullback just like the previous ones, right? If not, if a bear indicator pops up, that can change everything and we'll need to reassess. So this is where 42 Vision allows us to have that edge to be able to see where the strength and weakness is, and still we're under a bull indicator even though things are pulling back pretty quickly. And if lower time frames start to follow and they align, this bull indicator may continue to hold things up, and this is a crucial support to not ignore. Now, what's the key level to the upside? The first thing is we want to see bull indicators on the 5-minute, the 15-minute, and even on the 30-minute if possible. And the first resistance is 599 to 600, guys. That is a crucial level where things can start to pick up momentum, and that's where things slowed down and popped up in the pre-market from last week to this week. Now, to start off the week here, today's trading day. Now, above 600, the next level I'll be watching is 601 to 601.50, and then comes 603. Those are the key levels to the upside I'll be watching, and if 603 gets broken through, will then come 605, and we'll have to reassess at those higher levels. As always, guys, these are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve and join the members using 42 Vision on the charts and within the volatility of the markets, check out the link down below in the description to get equipped and gain that edge. And we look forward to getting you connected and having you join the community. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.